Okay, here's my walker. You know, I really should name this thing. I mean, if you have any ideas, if you feel like, give me a suggestion. But the only thing it really needs is a horn. Beep, 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 like Bozo the Clown. All right, so I use this bag sometimes because I got my studio outside and I want to go out there and jog, journal, or practice guitar and sing, or talk to my kids or whatever it might be. So here's my short one, right? I left that thing on the floor. I can't get, it's too hard to go down there and get it, okay? But this one, sometimes I need my laptop, right? And so, or, whatever it might be, my sweatshirt and stuff. So I come in here like this, watch. I don't know how to show you this. How about this, okay? I'm just gonna go like this, right? Through so I can get this one. Get it off there. Getting it off. Come on, get out of there. All right, now. Then you can put it on the inside, right? Because otherwise you're not going to be able to get, so it's on the inside. So otherwise you won't be able to get over through doors. Pull it around through like this. And you can drop the strap like that, right? And it kind of looks like this, right? You put a laptop, whatever. Remember, I mean, carry a bunch of stuff. If you're going to go into another room like me, you have to take water, water, laptop, phone, make sure your phone, extra phone charger, make sure that you have a computer charger, all that stuff. Take it out there with you because otherwise you're going to have to ask your caretaker to do it. And I don't know, I feel burdensome. I mean, in reality, I am. I mean, that's the end of the story. It's understandable, but it's nicer not to burden somebody so much. Okay, so I just want to come and show you this. Trying to get through the bathroom door doesn't work, right? Too wide. At the back. Back there is too wide. So, let's take your adjustment thing. Click. All right. Now I can move this thing in. In the meantime, I lost my cane. Grabber, which has a piece of rubber band on it so it doesn't fall on the floor. Go get that cane. All right. Here we are, right there. Bam! Okay. And then I think that this is the easiest way to do it. Just stick it in there. You need, so they aren't jiggling around any more than the clown car. You want it to be kind of quiet if you can. Can be. All right, so now I'll just stand back and push it a little bit. See? Look at that. I mean, it goes right through the door. You got all your weight. You have all your balance, everything. You just go slowly in. And then when you get in there, well, it's hard to show you, but you just click it back out. There it is. So, I mean, I have to do it again to get out. But there it is. And get out the door. Also, these wheels in the front, my brilliant physical therapist took them from the outside and put them on the inside, making it more narrow.